Hi guys, welcome to the future. You've probably heard that robots and AI are taking over everything, even writing code. But hang on, if robots are coding, does that mean it's not worth learning programming anymore? So, let's dive in and figure out whether it's still cool to become a coding wizard or if robots are gonna steal to the show. Hang on to your seats and welcome back to our channel. Keep hanging with us. First off, let's talk about these super smart AI tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT. These tools are great. They can write code, spot bugs, and even suggest better ways to solve problems. Pretty awesome, right? But hold on a minute. Does this mean the bots are coming for your job? Well, not quite. Let's break it down. See, programming isn't just about slapping code onto a screen. It's about creativity, problem solving, and designing systems that actually work in the real world. Sure, AI can churn out some code, but can it really understand why the code needs to work on a certain way? Not yet. Take creativity and design, for example. You're not just writing code, you're building bridges between humans and technology, and AI isn't ready to design the next big app or innovate with a groundbreaking product. Another thing people forget, AI makes mistakes too. Yep, just like us humans, you'll still need someone around to fix errors, test the product, and make sure it's actually useful. AI is like an awesome assistant, but we still need human brains in the driver's seat. Think about it. AI doesn't understand context like humans do. You, the programmer, get to decide what the project is, why it matters, and how it should look and feel. It's a bit like a chef cooking up a gourmet dish. Sure, a robot can chop vegetables, but it's the chef that puts it all together and makes it delicious. Imagine a robot trying to figure out the perfect balance of flavors. That's you. You're the flavor master when it comes to the programming. And then there's the whole issue of ethics. As tech grows, we're going to have more and more decisions to make about things like data privacy, security, and the social impact of our creations. Robots? Yeah, they don't do ethics. They don't feel or understand human values. This is your job, and it's more important than ever. Let's not forget the human touch. Programming is a team sport. Building a cool app or software requires collaboration working with designers, project managers, and other developers. It doesn't do teamwork, but you do. The best products come from humans bouncing ideas off each other, not from robots in a vacuum. So, here's the deal, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to help you and assist you. AI can take care of the repetitive stuff, like fixing bugs or suggesting snippets of code, leaving you with more time to focus on the cool stuff like innovating, solving big problems, and designing new experiences. And get this, AI is actually opening up new doors for programmers. If you can program, you can be the one training AI or developing new AI tools. From data science to machine learning, the opportunities for programmers are growing faster than ever. So, okay, let's see what's the future of programming. Picture this, instead of writing every single line of code, you're working alongside AI, guiding it, tweaking it, and directing it like a conductor with a digital orchestra. You're the one with the vision, and AI is the tool to help you bring it to the life. It's awesome. So, is it worth learning programming? Absolutely. AI may be smart, but it's still your skills, creativity, and decision making that drive the future. Learning to code doesn't just give you a career, it puts you in the driver's seat of tomorrow's tech. So, let's go get coding and let's build the future together. Here's another point of view. After developing calculators in high level programming languages, we're still using our low level programming languages and our own brains to calculate mathematics. It means you can do whatever you want and you enjoy, even if something better can do it. That's all. If you didn't enjoy this video, don't like videos like this, and don't want to help me, don't subscribe, don't give us comment, and don't like. No. Please subscribe, like, and give us a comment.